How can I unblock a number that is showing a call blocked message?
Hey there! In this video, we'll discuss how you can unblock a number that is showing a call blocked message. It can be frustrating when you're unable to receive calls or texts from someone you want to hear from. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in and learn how to unblock that number.
Checking your phone's blocked list.
The first step is to check if the blocked number is on your phone's blocked list. Follow these instructions based on your phone's operating system. For iOS users, 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. 2. Scroll down and tap on Phone or Messages, depending on which one you're experiencing the issue with. 3. Look for Blocked Contacts or Blocked and tap on it. 4. Here, you'll find a list of all the numbers you have blocked. If the number you want to unblock is on the list, swipe left on it and tap Unblock. For Android users, 1. Open the Phone app on your Android device. 2. Tap the three-dot menu icon usually located at the top right corner. 3. Select Settings or Call Settings from the menu. 4. Look for Blocked Numbers or Call Blocking and tap on it. 5. You'll see a list of blocked numbers. Find the number you want to unblock and tap the X or Unblock icon next to it. Remember to restart your phone after unblocking the number to ensure the changes take effect.
Contacting your service provider.
If you've checked your phone's blocked list and the number is not there, the next step is to contact your service provider. It's possible that they have implemented a network-level block on the number. Here's what you can do. 1. Locate the customer support number for your service provider. You can usually find this information on their website or your billing statement. 2. Call the customer support number and explain the situation to the representative. 3. Provide them with the details of the blocked number and ask if they have any blocks in place that could be causing the issue. 4. The customer support representative should be able to assist you further and remove any network-level blocks if necessary.
Third-party apps or features.
If you have installed any call blocking apps or enabled call blocking features on your phone, they might be responsible for blocking the number. Let's check if that's the case. Call blocking apps. 1. Open the call blocking app on your phone. 2. Look for a list of blocked numbers within the app. 3. If you find the number you want to unblock, select it and follow the app's instructions to unblock it. Built-in call blocking features. 1. Open the Settings app on your phone. 2. Look for Call or Phone settings. 3. Explore the options and find any call blocking features. 4. If you find the blocked number in any of these settings, unblock it. And there you have it. You've learned how to unblock a number showing a call blocked message. Remember to check your phone's blocked list, contact your service provider if necessary, and review any third-party call blocking apps or features. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to receive calls and messages from the number you want. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.